Welcome to Shoot Moment. Today I will teach you how to object tracking in CapCut. Before I start the lesson, I suggest you to download the same sample video using the link provided in the video description and complete the practical exercises and keep practicing to become a skilled video editor. Okay, now let us start the lesson. First open your CapCut and import the video. Then drag the video into the timeline like this. First we will play the video. On this video I want to track this person, this one. Okay, stop playing. We can use both text and stickers to track an object on a video. For this example I will use stickers. Then drag the sticker into the timeline. Now before we add motion tracking, we have to resize this arrow. Now select the sticker on the timeline, go to Tracking tab and click on Motion Track. Once you click on Motion Track, you will see there are some options here. Keep them as default. Direction, you have to keep both here. Then once you select Motion Track, an yellow box will be appearing here. This one. Then what you have to do is, you have to correctly adjust this yellow box on this object. Now you can click on the Start button on Tracking tab. You can see CapCut has started tracking automatically. First it is tracking for forward. After tracking forward, now it has started to track backward. Now our task is done. We can play the video from the beginning. Now you can see it's working properly here. For text also, you can follow the same steps I've done in this video. Go to Text tab and select the text you prefer and follow the steps I have done in this video. Alright, this is the end of today's tutorial. If you have learned something from these lessons, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video. Comment with questions or problems that you have about CapCut PC or video editing, and share these lessons with your friends. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.